Shibanta ban pensuk ya kalai kawan ki reu pat ba khamtam ye gitu gi besem ching e ban yo e kali ban kit e ki nongpang gi bayo ya ki chimpang covid khat khandai batru ye gitu gi badon kam ban net shim da wai ne test covid ha ka pratrek ujel ki bor pinya desek kari boy lemba ka kong adam kurba disi ga desek ila plat pat ba ye katu kat ni kali ban syakri pat ba ya blatip kum ka covid-19 transport service ya kani ka covid-19 transport service ka dai ru ka balakmi batlam khmat da ka state consultative committee on covid-19 ha ka balas dang menta nakabenta ka nongpo lembak santli sumo kiban syakri hanongpo area bara kiwei gisnong baha po odesring hanongpo ya kajimpre kami yakini kikali syakri pat ba on ya tray lang ru da ka nongpo town committee ka nongpo area maxi cab owner and driver association bat ru wat ka border district kari boy district
ni kermen ba da kan ni ka initiative ka ba ki da try kini kirang ba hang ni kermen ba kitu ki badan hak den ka jing hitam gajing pang kano kiba umdan ki kali hayang hasam bat ni teng kim sluru kiba hayang hiru kim slur ban come forward ni layo ibon bah kiba hayang ba sem lan ni perlok permajan kim kipat dan training mo kini ki driver jongi kila dan ke training tela train yaki kumno ban yada yaki kumno ban wat ya lot ya kamas mo so ha bandeng atuli ki mas ha ki syong hapo kali ke jongpi dan kat lang bat ki nongpang ki bayan ki lam sha hospital dan sha sub center la ban di CC kat badai so bha ban deng be kan kamas after this ni bat kumjo ru iki gloves ru ki de deng mo namar ba mla biang iswa ba pin lot ya ka gloves kan kamas ke jongpi so bha safety ba da ka hand sanitizer what light direct clean the fishet kan no what light site cha ki nang ta salai Siapa pin pong biang tu, sobha. An wat keluman ni kamas ni situ. Pek bahai indan di kerja plan ni pelakon ni bu bahai kan nang selesai biang. Pin hak fikir bahai. Kaji jongpi ka syang hakti jongpi. Kan ni kaji pang kaya nakti ha mut jongpi. Tak ada kam dan nanti pada dak away. Ini hak melong fikir bahai di driver ni ai day pi. Lawan sakmat mo ban yarap ya kipat ba nong song ha po ri hoi district ni buram ya pi bat ni kermen ba pin ya long ki ba sai ba klai man fikir ba bat sakawai rungin hapik kan kaya kumno kan ni namar ba kumbang nilai keren ha kidan ki jaka ki district dilem no ya kini kali kani jaka ba song ki driver nang ni na din ki kia nak da plastik ban kham long safe ya pi so thrai pin ha pek ya kataru ban modify hit dikit plastik ba plain ba ya balong ba pila ban ni sadin sebab kian nak nadien kenang ba kam protection so ya pi kata ko wei pada kalong ba banum ya ka jenha kanam ya nadien smat ka wei tu kalong ba ada pinya akini kali sing ba penra kiet ton da set kat no ru song papan ha be kiet nama ada pimpen ha kiet dekat ka jingpang sa antu ka sekelit haju lan ka yat haju syaju tingala aban ya get jingpang so how buat kelet di kita kawai ka ban dengki mas ka am dengki glass ka bala de ban pli ke jeng khang ka ba sa pada ka lomba ki akali baro ban dan kam ne ban dengki PPE de ngi snow ba kam da dan kam e ban dengki PPE namar ka PPE hi ngi kwa hi ban avoid namar ba ka long ka kamar ka ba sisen khong habret no man kas ni kan bret ka PPE kan di kan wan rai ka problem ru ya ka disposal ma ban bread namar bin hab bread bahai ka PPE hab song bah hab disinfect ya ka babon bah ka man phimna ban bread ni sitai bet diwe dia dena tak daw ngi ngimpen slur ban phong PPE what you gitu ki balik bandai on tap ru ngimpen slur ban phong PPE namar ba sisen ba la tap hi ka met jong bri hapo ka to ka la bala aina hospital kala long safe mo
Nalor kadisi lai dan langru udukhat ka state consultative committee una babata charji u chairman ka nongpo town committee uba CBCM secretary uba R khalkamni u engineer ka urban department uba S langste lembat kinong ilam ka nongpo area maxi cab owners and drivers association
RM Kurba CBCM president of Nongpo town committee Bar Renol secretary of the Nongpo town committee secretary of maxi cab Nongpo and all other dignitaries and particularly all those sumo drivers and owners. I think madam we need to declare them as also COVID warriors because what they will do is equivalent to the frontline workers which we have. This scheme, Madam, as we had discussed with you, I am really grateful to you and the town committee for coming forward. This is the second district. Why we thought of this idea, you'll remember in the month of May, when the COVID cases was very much at its peak, there was acute shortage of ambulance. And we had unfortunately so many casualties and death because patients could not reach the hospitals in time, and which is very, very unfortunate, particularly for our state. When we give so much value to our life, if because of transport and not reaching the hospital, so we thought of this idea that why not, because government also, every time we cannot depend on government. Madam knows very well, 24/7 she is working with her staff, her frontline workers, but government also has limitations. So we from the public also, I think this is very trying times when all of us need to come out and help our brothers and sisters in this time of crisis. I think this is the time when our humanity should come forward. So with this we thought that why not we try with these local taxis in Shillong. They were also waiting and there was no livelihood for them. So we got a lot of response, but simultaneously ma'am and Basiem, Baranold and all of you, now we have 5. I have done a survey, I have seen that equal or not, if not more patients non-COVID, they are also unable to go to the hospital. Number 1, scared. Number 2, lack of transport, because all ambulances, like dialysis cases, there are many where people are unable to reach, and those deaths are not being registered like we do for COVID. So I think COVID gets the priority. I would request Basiem and Barenol, with increase in the number of vehicles, we can have at least 2 vehicles dedicated for non-COVID patients from the villages. I think that will be a big help, and I would request brothers from the association that you should see that minimum charges, particularly to the BPL families.